You got here early.
Hey, yeah, welcome.
Very cool. Is there a hammock for me?
Yeah, I brought you one. Today's video is sponsored by Casper.
And today we're gonna see if we can make an entire functional hammock using plastic wrap.
Not like that.
Just like this.
Not like that. Okay guys, so I have done some prototyping and some experimenting on this particular project. I do think this is gonna be possible and I'm really excited to try. I wanna see if we can make a hammock out of nothing but saran wrap, but just in case we do have some hardware, just to help. We'll find out. Here's the basic idea. We have a lot of plastic wrap left over from our plastic wrap rope, so we want to see if we can make a fully functional hammock with nothing but plastic wrap. All right, so first step I think is we have to get rid of our real hammock, and this seems to be the only place that we can really hang one up. So I do want to see if we can make a hammock entirely out of saran wrap, but first, just to test it out, let's go ahead and keep up the hardware for my hammock itself, scale it up from there.
Got it.
All right, so first thought here is I think that we should simply just try taking our plastic wrap and just running it back and forth between our carabiners, see if we can get something that we can actually have support our weight. How much do you think it's gonna take to support our weight minimum?
Well, we did do some strength tests with the plastic wrap when we were making the rope, and when we've got a whole bundle of it, it's got a decent amount of weight. I don't know.
Stretches quite a bit though.
That's true. I don't know an exact pound for pound weight, and it's gonna depend on how tightly it's wound or how tightly it's pulled between the hardware, but I think we should start by just going back and forth maybe 6 times, something like that.
I'm concerned about the stretchiness. I don't know if that's gonna actually be strong enough.
Let's do 6, and before we tear it, let's just look at like, yeah, how's it looking? Do we need more?
Let's try it out. 6. Now, here's the thing. You said 6, so I think you should be the one to test the weight.
I'm not sure why we went with my estimate since you're the one who's prototyped and tried this out already. Oh, that's...
Oh, no, go for it.
That's
go,
stretchy.
Go for it. Come on, this was your choice.
I've tested it. We need more.
How'd that work out for you?
Super good, but also none.
Wait, move.
No.
Move.
No.
Move.
Oh. No. What?
Move.
All right, we've made it all the way to the ground. So 6,
I think
not
we
enough.
need more. In initial testing, what I had seen was that it took about 1 roll of plastic wrap to hold my weight comfortably. So that is what I think I want to try.
But she didn't tell me that. She just asked, how many do you think we should do? And then ran with that. So.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So here's my goal. I want to make several lines across with lots of different sort of ropes here and then weave our plastic wrap in between that. See if we can actually make a comfy hammock. For this particular hammock that we're making now, yes, when I was testing it, it only took 1 of these to hold my body weight, but because we will have all the guys trying it out today too, we're gonna add 1 more, just in case. But I just want to prove it.
That is stretchy.
It
was holding you.
It does. So we will continually tighten the ropes because it is very, very stretchy. But we want at least 4 of these before we start weaving. So guys, I was doing this on my own the other day and just getting to this point alone took about 45 minutes. We're at maybe 15 minutes, so using 2 sets of hands is a whole lot easier. Something I was finding was that tension is key, so we will continually tighten our ropes here as we go because it's a little bouncy. Okay, so this is 2 full rolls. So this is 400 feet of plastic wrap right now. So even though it is still a little bit bendy, much better. Okay, perfect. How do you feel about that?
I like it. It's
Cool.
gonna be kind of hard to lay in if we just leave it as ropes though, so obviously we need to add more to it.
Do.
So now we've got all of the weight support that we need. We've got 4 of these separated cords, and they hold our weight.
They do?
But it's not exactly a hammock yet. It's just sort of a pile of plastic ropes.
It's not really comfortable yet.
We want to put more in there so it is more comfortable. After all, you spend 1/3 of your life asleep. You want to be comfortable, and that's happening like with a Casper mattress. They're excellent.
All right, so here's the plan. We have got this acrylic bar. We're gonna go ahead and use this to spread these pieces apart so that we can sort of weave the rest of the plastic wrap in here, see if we can make a viable hammock. All right, so while we're wrapping this saran wrap around our pillars, let's go ahead and take a look at today's sponsor, Casper. All right, so I live alone. This is like my first grown-up bed ever. I am so excited. See, I like that it has a moon and a sun because they know I'm gonna be taking naps during the day. See, this is why you have friends who just already own a Casper mattress and then you pretend to read the instructions while they set up your mattress.
Yeah, guys, I've had my Casper mattress for about 8 months now, and I love it. It is super comfortable and gives what I think is just the perfect balance between soft and supportive.
Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. That was so much happier than I even thought it was gonna be. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Guys, I have been on a college twin bed for like the last 10 years, and I am so excited. This will be my first really nice mattress, and Casper, oh, I've wanted one of these for so long. All right, moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. I'm so happy.
To get your own Casper and $100 off, go to casper.com/thekingofrandom and use promo code thekingofrandom.
Okay, good night. You can all go now. Thank you.
Fair enough.
All right, I think this is good to test. What do you think? That looks like a nightmare. We have hammock attempt number 1 here. It's sort of.
I like it. Okay, what do you think is going to be good about it? What do you think is going to be not so good about it?
I'm very concerned about the stretch.
Think you'll reach the cement?
I'm not sure. In initial testing, I did not. Even when I just had 2 rolls, I was able to hang off the ground, so I think I'd be okay. My concern is honestly, if our little webbing doesn't hold, I'm just gonna go straight through and hit the ground, so.
We've got a weird mixture of breathable and completely not breathable here because there's like holes, but then we also tried to wrap the whole thing.
Oh yeah, I'm not thinking this is gonna be the comfiest thing around, like a Casper mattress, but.
Casper mattress is perfectly breathable, so you sleep at just the right temperature.
Okay, so far so good. So far so, wait, hang on, help me. Our ropes are deciding to bind together, and that's making life more difficult. There we go, okay, better. Wait.
You're not very centered.
Nope, it's okay. Everything's fine. This is fine. This is exactly how it's supposed to go. Okay.
I think my plastic on the very outside is actually a hindrance.
I think you caused me more problems than
I think
you
we should try
solved
taking
them.
that off because it's closed it up so much that you can't really lay in the middle of it.
Except it's stretching. So now it's sort of
forming to you.
It is. Oh, hang on.
That's very
This is great.
twisty.
This is so comfy. I'm in a saran wrap hammock. Stop it.
Just kind of spread it out a little bit more still.
Well, now
I think it's still binding
pretty.
together.
I gotta make
It's
it pretty.
not, but it's more functional.
I'm gonna make it pretty again. All right. It is shockingly comfortable. Guys, this is amazing. Can you make a plastic wrap hammock?
Yes, you definitely can make a plastic wrap hammock.
You can!
This particular one is designed, developed, and manufactured in the United States, just like Casper mattresses.
Guys, this is really comfortable. I would spend the night in this, but if I had to choose between this and a Casper mattress, choose the mattress. But also, this is amazing and really fun, and you should try it. This is one of those things that I would say you could try at home, but maybe ask your parents before you use all of the plastic wrap in the house.
Unless you're an adult, then, do what you want.
Yeah, buy your own. I have found the downside to plastic wrap hammocks. Hang on. I can do this. Yes, I win.
Oh,
Where are you going? What's your,
trying
where
to
are
roll
your,
in.
okay,
It's fine.
okay, make sure that you got the ropes actually under you.
That's just like your strategy.
Yeah, the one that worked.
It's a little narrow.
Okay, hang on. Okay, that's not gonna, you're going the wrong way. You gotta, this is what I was worried about. This needs to be more down here. So
I
that you're
understand the goal.
All right, I'm just
Wait,
gonna
no,
swing.
don't do that. Don't, no swinging.
I think this was probably a little more comfortable for you.
Uh-huh. There we go. Okay, okay. That's the way it's
I'm
supposed
gonna
to
bring
be.
my steps back.
You're gonna try and sit on these, but the idea again is this should support your spine without hurting you. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. There we go. That's better-ish for you, probs. Nope, you did it again.
That's okay.
Is it still better?
Maybe a little.
All right, well, I don't know how to help you here.
I-
You've done
I
this
just-
to yourself.
I did, and that's okay.
Okay.
But I want to try another design, and I
Okay.
don't actually know if it's going to be better or worse, but I do want to try it because it will consist 100% of saran wrap.
You understand we only have 600 feet of saran wrap left.
We're going to try it.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so what
You,
is your plan?
you hold that there.
Now, okay. I think I like my design better. There's no way this could end disastrously wrong. Wow. Wow. All right. Well, whose hammock wins, Nate?
For me, this one's more comfortable, but I think that's just because yours was built
For a me-sized
for
human?
the slightly narrower build. No, it doesn't swing. Don't swing it.
Okay, let's see if it can hold the weight of two people.
No, let's not see that. This is a victory. 3 rolls of saran wrap, no other hardware, nothing, just hold itself up.
I am very impressed with that. There is nothing but saran wrap. Each one of those rolls was less than $2. This is a $6 hammock.
Yeah. Now, I would not say that a hammock made from plastic wrap is exactly a long-term investment. It's probably more of a one-time use thing.
Just gonna point out that a Casper mattress has a 100-night sleep on it trial, guaranteed money back, and shipping paid both ways in the US and Canada. It's a pretty solid deal, and remember, for $100 off select mattresses, go to casper.com/thekingofrandom and use promo code thekingofrandom or click the link in the description.
Click the box at the top to watch your most recent video.